So hello, what's up mga kaisla? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Buhay Isla ni Jess. And for today's video mga kaisla, nandito kami ngayon mismo sa wildlife dito sa Hobart, Australia mga kaisla. May tour kami ngayon at puntahan namin ang iba't ibang klaseng hayop dito sa kanilang natawag lang wildlife zoo mga kaisla, rehabilitation center mga kaisla sa mga animals. Dito nila dinadala yung mga injured na animals mga kaisla. Dito pinapagaling bago nila ibalik sa forest. So binigyan kami ng pagkakataon na ma-tour ang lugar na ito mga kaisla. Sobrang ganda dito mga kaisla, bukod sa napaka-pleasant yung surrounding dito. Ma-witness mo pa ang iba't ibang klaseng hayop mga kaisla. So una pinuntahan namin yung mga animals na makikita mo lang dati sa TV mga kaisla. Ngayon, nakikita ko na mismo sa personal. Puntahan pa namin yung kangaroo mga kaisla. Tour guide kami dito mga kaisla, pero depende sa kung manood ka doon mga kaisla. Garuti. Asa, uy. Meron minum sa atin. Sino yun? Oh, baboy. Uy, ilaga. Ano yan?
Tasmanian devil.
Tasmanian yan? Devil yan? Parang angel ah. Asan siya?
Ayun o kumakain.
Devil.
And so they've realised that we are not very scary creatures. But a devil in the wild is actually a very shy, nervous little creature. So they are terrified of humans. They are our largest carnivorous marsupials. So they do have a pouch. They are nocturnal. So they will spend all their night just roaming around the bush, scavenging for food. So they are not really a predator. They believe that they're a predator, but they're not built for hunting. So their hunting attempts are usually unsuccessful. They can't see very well. They can only see about a metre in front of them. And they can't run very fast. So they can really only catch things if that animal's already sort of on its way out.
That's cute, huh?
Yeah, it's really good.
So
it's like a rat.
You don't believe that he's gonna such a
Why they call it devil? It's not a devil.
yeah.
That's why the name is Christopher.
So for scavenging, they are perfectly designed. That is their role in the ecosystem, to be nature's garbage disposal units. So they have the strongest bite force of any animal for their size. So they can bite, it's about 5 times that of the American pit bull. If you scaled them up to the size of a Nile crocodile, these guys would bite harder. So that is so that they can eat every single part of a carcass. They have got an excellent sense of smell, so they can actually smell blood from up to 3 kilometres away. And so that is how what they use to find their food. So quite often, if they just find a pile of bones lying around, then that's what they'll have for their dinner. So they can eat the fur, the bones, the guts, every single bit goes into a devil. And they have 42 teeth and they're all sharp. So when they're eating their food, all they're interested in is getting it into them as fast as possible. And they can gorge feed, so they can do about 40% of their body weight in one sitting. But so in saying that, they are really quite a gentle creature. Most intense devil that we have here. All our devils are.
Kabili ramanis mo oy.
Siguro pulutan na ito, no?
Tabili ram ni. Hello. Sungklangki.
Eat once.
No. Ano?
Can be in arid areas. As long as there are bugs, then an echidna can survive there. So they do get at their bugs. They've got very strong front legs, so they can tear apart termite mounds, rotten logs, all of that sort of
Isla, I'm here beside this gibbon. Birds. Hello. 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 Hi.
Is patuka ka kung masakit.
Hi. Patuka ka. Lula. Hello.
Haba ng ano.
Haba no? Anong ibon to? Tokarol.
Kukabura.
Kukabura? Lula. Uy, maipit ka. Maipit siya. Tara, pasukin na natin kangaroo mga kaisla. Ito na yun mga kaisla. Dito na kami ngayon sa pinakaloob ng bahay ng kangaroo. Kaya ito. Ano ba itong kangaroo na to? Ah, si kangaruti. Na kangaroo. So nakita na sila parang kung kaisla. Ito na yung kangaroo. Lola. May ano sila pagkain na. So pakainin natin yung kangaroo mga kaisla. Pakainin natin. Ito may yung food. So ito yung pagkain ng mga kangaroo. Ito. So magdala tayo. Pakainin natin sila. Tingnan natin kung kakain ba sila sa ating ibibigay ngayon. Ito parang prok. Mong kagatin ng kamay ko. Patay na. Master. Don't bite me, ha? So, pinakain ko yung kangaroo guys lang. More. Yan.
La Jennifer es la estrella. Ya tú primero de ellos.
Don't bite my. Nah, eat siya mga kasla. Eat siya. Numbag na ba yung mga kangaruhan eh. Di pamaa ka? Ibaa. So. Lala. May nagalit. Wala is to eat. Ah. Toy. Ming. Don't just eat, don't bite my hands. Kangaroo pig. Goy. Yan. Kanding. So ito apa nih? Sigbin na ni mga kasama. Finish na. More. More. Hi buddy. Hello. So guys, kung dito ka sa malapit niya guys, marasig ka ba? Kapong mo na ito. Pati, anda na si Parapati do. Hello. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Okay. Are you mad?
Suelo.
Hey buddy. We're friends now. Hi. So guys, sa mga magtanong dyan, anong feeling na yung hawakan mo yung kangaroo? Parang kangaroo lang siya mo guys na. Hi buddy. Parang ano lang. Hello kangaroo. Baby. Ay, wala akong food ha. Hello.
Active.
Ewan to, sleepy din. So guys, tulog muna kami guys. Takuan yun, malaki siya. Bye ulit na, bye. Bye-bye.
Brad, i-explain Brad, unsa na nga kuan mananapa?
So kani siya
Parang
guys,
Kuya Kim talaga ba?
kung sa Pilipinas to sigbin na to. Ay, kapawa. Tiger snake.